Alright, I'm going to go over how to set up the theme shortcodes. So these shortcodes are demoed on the live preview right here. And to set them up is super easy. So let's go and just add a page and then we'll demo them. So shortcodes demo, publish that, and I'll open it up in another tab so I can just reference everything. So all the shortcodes are right here, and if you hover over them for a second, they'll give you a brief description of what they are. So for instance, add a button is super easy. We just add a button. So if we update it automatically, we get this blue button, and if you want to get the orange button, is the default button. Just take out secondary button and update that, and we have our orange button and our blue button. So it's super easy. You know, obviously you would type in your link, and if you wanted to target, and you can just adjust the text to however you like. Next things are basic lists. We have a checklist, and then we have an arrow list, and you can check out how these are. Super easy. And then from there we have our column shortcodes, and I'll hit on those in a second. Let's go ahead and skip to our slider. Our slider is super easy. You just add an image URL. Let me go and just grab some images. Basically, you're going to want the images to be the same dimensions. So I'm just pasting these in. And you can have a caption if you want it as well, and you can keep adding slides if you want, or just have one or two. So let's go ahead and view that now. So now we have our slider, and you can go ahead and ignore this. I'm just on a test server. So you have your slider, and then we have tabs, which are pretty cool. And you can just see how they are. You would just have your tab title and content, and you can also duplicate these as well if you want more. And then you have a simple divider, which is just this dotted light gray line. And then the last thing is actually only, well, you can use it wherever you want, but it's pretty much only used in the real estate section, and it's just that additional fields formatting right there. So the last thing I wanted to go over was the column shortcodes, and that is up here. We have a whole bunch of them, and basically what you want to do is you just add 2 for halves, and the only thing you really need to pay attention to is the last one. Is you need to mark from no to yes. So I'm going to go and just put this at half and half, so we can update that, and you can see them. So let me go and actually just do the quarters, 1, 2, 3, 4, and if I don't put a yes at the end, you can see how it shows up. It just cuts off that last one. Here, it's kind of hard to see. I'll add some text, but the formatting is incorrect when I don't add the yes to the end. So you see how the last quarter drops down. So if we add a yes right here to the last one, and only the last one, it formats it properly. So it's super nice. So for instance, if we had like a 1/3 and 2/3, the 2/3 just needs to mark yes because it's the last one. And you can obviously have, mixed matched whatever you want on any of these, and it's it works on full width or on a sidebar. So that is how to use the shortcodes. Yeah.